In this release we added several new streaming features and improvements. Our Stream app has a redesigned user interface. You can set yourself as a presenter and the others as viewers. You can also take screenshots of the scene directly within the app. A screenshot of the scene without any UI element of the web app will be downloaded instantly and available for you locally. We have also added the option to deal with VRED annotations within the app. Or you can switch to interactive HTML annotations and edit the text and color directly within the viewport. We have also included a frame counter where you can monitor your streaming performance. In case you want to work with quality and resolution settings which are not available in the Stream app UI, you can use certain parameters within the browser URL. The different parameters are available in the address bar of the direct stream. Just take the needed parameters from there and paste it into the URL of the web app. Additionally, we have now enabled streaming of PNGs with an alpha channel. Just make the environment of the VRED scene invisible and an alpha channel will be created automatically. You can now layer multiple VRED scenes and their streams into one HTML web page. This lets you easily compare two different scenes, which can come from different VRED instances or machines. It can make comparing scenes or splitting performance very easy and fast. You also can create now your own web app with an embedded VRED stream, like our inbuilt VRED Stream app. Just set the new custom path within the preferences, so the web server can execute the web page. Then just point to the new HTML directory within the browser, which should be called differently than our index.html. Now you can stream the VRED content using your own web app. Thanks for watching the video.